Hello students, so today we are going to move to the next topic. Okay, so I want you to turn page number 76, exercise 6.2. Okay, so we will today learn how to add and subtract the fractions. Okay, now so moving to exercise 6.2 number 1, that is page number 76, we have add the following fractions, and question number 1, A is how much? 2 by 9 plus 4 by 27 plus 2. Okay, so here how we have to add is, first we have to find the LCM of denominators. Okay, LCM of denominators. So you know what is denominator, right? So for this fraction, what is the denominator? 9. For this fraction, what is the denominator? 27. And for this fraction, what is the denominator? There is no denominator, right? There is no denominator in this fraction, but if there is no denominator, it means it is 1. Okay, so since it is 1, I will not write. Okay, now so I will find the LCM of the denominators. So if I try to find, it will go with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. Again with 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Again with 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So finally, what is the LCM? 3 into 3 into 3. So how much? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 is the LCM. Okay, so I will write this in the denominator. Okay, so next 27 is the denominator. So now next is you have to listen here carefully. Okay, because this is the point where you will get confused. Now here what is the denominator? 9. Here we have got the LCM as 27. Okay, so you have to see this denominator first and then the LCM. So 9 how many times is 27? 3 times, right? 9 3s are 27, and with that 3 you have to multiply the numerator here. So that is, what is the numerator? 2 into 9 how many times is 27? 3, isn't it? Plus similarly for this denominator, here we have 27. Okay, so previously I'll write the numerator 4 into, so now here we have 27, because this 4 is in the numerator, that is why I have written 4 here. Okay, divided by 27 how many times is 27? 1, isn't it? 27 ones are 27, so with that 1 I have to multiply here. Plus now here we have 2 into, what is there in the denominator here? 1, isn't it? So 1 how many times is 27? 1 27, isn't it? So you have to multiply here with 27. Okay, so how much did you get? 2 3s are 6 plus 4 1s are 4 plus 2 27s are, so you have to multiply 2 27s are 54. Okay, divided by 27. Okay, then how much will you get? 6 plus 4 10 plus 54 divided by 27. So how much will you get? 10 plus 54, 64 by 27. Okay, now this answer, if you see, is in which kind of fraction? Numerator is greater than denominator is smaller, isn't it? Then what you have to do is, now you have to convert it into mixed fraction. If the answer is in improper fraction, then you have to convert it into mixed fraction. So I will convert by dividing the numerator with the denominator, isn't it? 27 2s are 54, remainder will be 10. Okay, so what will come here? The quotient, that is 2, here the remainder, and here the same denominator. Okay, so it is the answer. So 27 2 10 by 27 is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer for question number A. So now we'll move to question number B. So what is question number B? Question number B is 4 1 by 2 plus 2 1 by 4 plus 5. Okay, so here, since the two fractions are given in mixed fraction, before adding or subtracting, what you have to do is, we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so this will be 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 2 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 by 4 plus 5, isn't it? So now we have converted the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now what is the first step? We have to find the LCM of the denominators. What is the denominator in the first fraction here? 2, here 4, here 1. So it is 1, so I am not writing. So what is the LCM? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, again with 2. So what is the LCM? 4, isn't it? So I will write the LCM in the denominator. Next, what is the next process? Then I will write this numerator into, now I will see this denominator and the LCM. 2 how many times is 4? 2 2s are 4, isn't it? So with that 2 I have to multiply here, plus again 9 into 4 how many times is 4? 1 time, so with 1 I have to multiply here. So again 5 into, here we have 1 in the denominator, isn't it? So 1 how many times is 4? 1, 4s are 4, with that 4 you have to multiply here. Okay, so this is how you will do. So this will be 9 2s are 18, plus 9 1s are 9, plus 5 4s are 20 divided by 4. So 18 plus 9 is how much? 27, plus 20 divided by 4, isn't it? Next, what you will do? It will be 47 by 4. Okay, since we have this in the improper fraction, we have to convert it into mixed fraction. So how many times? 4 1s are 4, so this will be 0, this will come here 7, so 4 1s are 4, 3. So what is the remainder? 3. Okay, so what will be the mixed fraction then? 11 3 by 4. So this is the answer for question number B. Okay, so in similar way you can do till F. C, D, E and F are your homeworks from here. Okay, again now we'll move to question number 2. So in question number 2A we have 5 minus 3 by 7. So we have to subtract, isn't it? So here in the denominator we have 1. Okay, so now we have to first find, like we did in the addition, we have to find the LCM of the denominator. So what is the LCM of 1 and 7? It's very easy, which is 7, isn't it? So in numerator 5 into, so 1 how many times is 7? 7 times. So with that 7 I have to multiply here, minus 3 into 7 how many times is 7? 1, isn't it? So with that 1 I have to multiply here. So 5 7s are 35, minus 3 1s are 3 divided by 7. So 35 minus 3 how much? 32 by 7. Okay, so since it is in the improper fraction, I have to convert it into mixed fraction, isn't it? So for that I will divide the numerator with the denominator. So 7 4s are 28, 4, isn't it? So what will be the mixed fraction then? 4 4 by 7. So this is the answer for question number A. Okay, so I will do question number C. Okay, so question number C is 5 2 by 3 minus 4 1 by 3. Okay, so now I will first, since these two are in mixed fraction, I will convert it into improper fraction. So 3 5s are 15, plus 2 17 by 3, minus 3 4s are 12, plus 1 13 by 3. Okay, since we have same denominator, LCM will be 3 only. Since we have same denominator, the upper one will also remain as it is. Okay, if there are same denominator, okay, then upper one will remain as it is. So 17 minus 13 is 4 by 3. So if you convert it into mixed fraction, you will get 1 1 by 3, isn't it? Okay, so this is how you have to do. Okay, I'll do question number D now. Now question number D is 7 1 by 2 minus 2 1 by 5. Okay, so what will be my first I have to convert it into improper fraction, isn't it? So 2 7s are 14, plus 1 15 by 2, minus 5 2s are 10, plus 1 11 by 5. So next what I have to do, I have to find the LCM of the denominators. What is the LCM? So 2 1s are 2, 5 will remain as it is, 5 1 1, isn't it? So it will be 2 into 5 equals to 10. So 10 is the LCM, isn't it? So next what I have to do with this 15 into 2, how many times is 10? 5, isn't it? So I have to multiply with 5, minus 11 into 5, how many times is 10? 2. So 2. So 15 5s are 75 minus 11 2s are 22 by 10. Okay. So 75 minus 22 is how much? It will be 3 by 53 by 10. Okay. So now I have to convert it into mixed fraction. So if you convert it into mixed fraction, then you will get, if you divide, you will get 5 3 by 10. Okay. So this is how you will do. So now from here also, from question number 2 also, B, E, F and G are your homework. Okay. So total of 4 homeworks from question number 1, C, D, E and F, and from question number 2, B, E, F and G are your homeworks. Okay.